Iandra, why you never did a post for your channel? Me see people ask me if Jason cheat for me like always.
So I can't just walk past me gate like while and I say, any me cheat for my girl, she give me a bag of bread. I mean I say you're bright, cheat for my girl for your bread. But anyway she gone somewhere place, you see it?
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will be doing a little cooking video. Not only cooking, I'm gonna answer some questions that you guys asked while I was away. I want to answer those. It's kinda late. It's now 8. I think it's 8 or I think it's 10 to 8. And I came home very late. Why? Because I was window shopping because I want some new stuff. So I did a window shop. I don't know if me alone do that, but I normally window shop and write down the price them until I get the money. Then I go back and purchase because I have to budget. You have to budget. You can't put your house where you can't reach. I want to cook something very healthy because I'm tired of meat, honestly. I cook chicken, turkey neck, pork almost every Sunday. And I'm very tired. I'm not one of them say, yes, start eat healthy, da 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 da. It is not easy, and I kinda eat healthy because I love vegetables. At one point, yesterday get frustrated and I say, the only thing you give me a vegetable, blah blah blah. I did understand where I come from because I did cook like vegetables back to back to back. But I don't want to make the video here too lengthy because I want to watch all of it. And yeah, comment. And just like how Una request the video them, I want to learn from me want to learn from Una too. So whenever I post on my channel, just go ahead and don't be afraid to tell me that Iandra, you never did to do it like that, or Iandra, you could have do this, or Iandra, you could have do that. I live for honesty. I'm not thin skin. I'm not thin skin. I'm going to make certain stuff bother me. So you're cooking with me, and I'm going to answer some questions for you. I was going to post on my Instagram to send in some questions, but then I remember about the breeder question them want to send me. I said, no, I'll just answer those. But, when another woman want to hear stuff, or me? Just need to hurry up, come home. So, I'm going to search for some stuff now. I want to ask in my head. I hear one taxi, one there for Jason. I go check and come back. Babe! Yay! Jason is home. So I have pumpkin. I have saltfish. Some cucumbers. Okra in there. Thanks to God for these. And I have some string beans. Wonder what I can make. Let us see. I was planning to make a one pot, but it don't look like a one pot can work because I don't want any rice. So I'm gonna try to like peel them stuff here. And I can peel pumpkin. So for everybody out there will say me perfect, I am not. And you need to stop say that because I take offense to it. Because I'm not perfect. I'm just like you guys. That's the pumpkin gone. I'm going to do some string bean because I love them things here. I don't know if you love it, but me love it bad. Just cut off the top. I know I lose a lot a while ago, but it's late and I just want to hurry up and consume something, as what Jason would have said, and go to my bed. Well, get my food there just and go on my bed. Me and Jason probably going to have a chat before I sleep. We normally do that at night. What's wrong? Oh. Not bad? You know must say wet up? Huh? You must say wet up? Babe? Oh, you don't know that. The first question. Iandra, why you never did a post for your channel? I was working. Well, I'm still working. And I was going to school. School not finished yet, but some things are going what I really don't know about. Kind of make me pissed off. Well, I know about it still, but them kind of slack up in a way. But yeah, school in it and I'm working. So mentally, my brain hurt me. Plus, I'm doing something that I just learn about it. I just learn about it, but I guess my boss see the potential in me. So she just let me carry on because I learn fast, very, very fast. So that's why I never did a post plus school. I could balance it. Sometimes you have to learn for, even when people bow down and say, why you not do this, why you not do that, sometimes you have to learn to like ignore some stuff until you can really do better, because it don't make no sense me go to school, go spend up a bag of money and then me fail because me did I try to balance or two things. You have to sacrifice, you have to give up one sometimes. Me might sound like in a right or what me I say no right, but sometimes you have to learn to think out certain stuff without the help of people too. I have a very supportive boyfriend. Like anything me say me want to do, him allow me to do it. So me did give up YouTube for a while just to focus on certain stuff in my life that I thought was better. So my answer that I was working, well I'm working. Next question. If me did want to give up on YouTube if me never like it because Jason did I do it, da 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 da. I love it. When me and Jason just start talking, it was something that I wasn't comfortable doing. Me never did have a problem with Jason doing it because me did can't see him do it, but at the same time, me never did want it to be a thing where me I do too. I don't know if you understand, but me just never did want to do it. Me did tell Jason, me not even did want in videos them at one point.
Yeah, me used to have to force her to come.
Yeah, him used to have to cut.
More, I do have a valid point before I forget. You can cut in here.
Yes.
One point, me stop forcing to come to the video them because me I think say, so YouTube so risky. Me never want it two way stuck on one thing, as in, so for example, me know my payment have a low this month and can't manage the bills. Me never want to be that the two way can't manage. So at one point, I stop forcing because I say, what a thing if my payments pop down 1 month wicked, like in flat line, and it told one flat line, is it? But take it away.
Yeah, so that's a part of it. When me did I go talk about, but me happy to him come remind me so that I'm supposed to talk about it. So yeah, me never did want the two if I get this. We see we income come from the same place basically. Me want to know so me can say, babe, when him no up there, vice versa. I say word name?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, me did want to know say me can say, hey babe, see something here because whatever. I'm very supportive, me not gonna lie. People always ask me how me manage Jason with him doing YouTube. If you see me cut up them here big when me show no, me not like my vegetable them fine, me like them chunky, me like when me a bite them, me can't hear them yeah. But I am very supportive. Wanna see on the internet that when I get no pretending. I am very supportive. Me unproblematic, honestly. The only person me give problem is Jason and my mother. And them alone forget my problems them because them did it when me happy. Them did it when me happy, so them have to do it when me sad. So yeah. Me never did want income come from the same place. And I feel very good about that now. But you know, over a period of time, me can't go lie, me get to love YouTube, me get to love to record. When Jason recording video, them I always want in it because it is something that me have this thing about me. I can change my character to fit in. So if you come to me and you go like you're more than me, I just give you that side there me. And if you come to me, you're down to earth, you get that side there me. And if you come to me and I realize you can't really comprehend, but you get that side there me. I change my character every day to fit in with people. Me no want nobody to feel no type of way when them there on me. I just want you to know say you're there on Iandra, and Iandra, I don't know, Iandra not I. I want you to know say you can there on me and feel comfortable. I don't want you to feel like you have to do too much for fit in. I'm like that. I can't keep friends like that either. If you act like you have to do too much for fit in with me, I will not be your friend. I want, it's either you're more than me or me up on the same level. Me always want to be in this situation where I'm not more than you. Because in real life, I'm not more than nobody. I'm not like people judgmental. I hate it. if you want to be my friend, you can't be judgmental. And you have to know that anybody will come round, them can be with friend too. You know when you feel like, oh no, she not fit eat because no. So yeah, no, I don't have a problem doing videos anymore. Next question. Busy people are coming to say Iandra get rich and switch. I wish. That's the only thing I have to say. Me wish me did get rich. Like honestly. And me not about go kill for your comment because in all honesty, me don't know how me da behave if me get rich. Honestly, I don't know. I do not know. But me not get rich and switch. Me just try to say at 2019, couple more days left for 2020, and if you're not made to better yourself, you need to change how you think about life because life is very hard and we need to start with something to secure our future because if you're not secure it, nobody not going to secure it for you unless you plan for inherit some stuff, whether from family member or one sugar mommy or one sugar daddy or somebody, which is not a bad thing. Me don't want nobody come to me because inheritance is good sometimes, but me just try to better myself because me not grow up and see my mother rich nor my father rich, honestly. None of them are rich, so me just try to secure a future for me and my family and my soon to be husband because this is me. I want to get married and I want to have kids and I want to baptize and do the right thing. May I put on the starfish now, by the way? Alright, question I ask. Many people ask me if Jason cheat for me like always. Not always ask me that. But the thing is, I don't think I'm the person that you should be asking that. Or probably Jason. And comment in the comment section why you don't think so. Like why not always ask the question there? Because one, if I because I video them when post, I don't think when I say I worry about that. I think that is my responsibility. Take no offense. But then I could have saw me fool. If you know say Jason do something for hurt me and I sit down and not gone away. And me just humble so. Think about it, Iandra not talk to still. But yeah, everybody always ask me if Jason cheat. Me not know. Me not know. Just like how you want to know, me want to know too. Because I really don't know. And to be real honest, I don't think so. Because me not see like that happen. And I'm very observant. And our relationship is way different from what we think. And we need to understand that we communicate a lot and we are very honest with each other. Not only honest, but brutally honest with each other. So yeah, I feel like no one understand that. And we as I say, we communicate, and that's the best part about one relationship. We have to learn to communicate and have to learn to compromise and all of that. And people stray from this. I don't know. But you're so clever, I think you need to realize or go back down memory lane and me and Jesse start talking in 2016. Me hear some puppy outside? Oh, me and Jesse start talking in 2016. Jesse do videos way before 2016. Me say, me did come see me doing videos them. Why would I want to be with somebody who is doing something that I don't like? It no make no sense. So me feel like so before I ask the question and if I ask myself, then Iandra fool for go talk to somebody where do something where she not like. I don't know if me make sense now, but you might see where me I go. Me really appreciate so you care about me still. Me appreciate it, but at the same time, me not need nobody if you ask me them questions. Ask me if me eat, ask me if me alright, ask me how is my health, ask me them stuff. Them me really appreciate them stuff. They ask me if me alright, cause me rarely hear that. Rarely. Ask me if me alright. Me appreciate them stuff. The people message me like that, me answer them quick. because sometimes I just want to talk about something constructive. Sometimes I really don't want to talk about, not even Jason, honestly. I don't need to understand that we see each other every day. We sleep together at nights, and sometimes I really don't want to talk about Jason or talk about relationship. Sometimes I really want somebody ask me, then how will you eat from morning? So I will make you feel sick. I guess take you up, then where you go take feed? I love them questions there. So on the menu it's saltfish with string bean, okra, pumpkin. I'm not add no carrot because I already have pumpkin in there. I not say oh it's important, but if you know that add carrot, you make me know. I'm gonna use some butter to steam it because I really like how chiffon butter taste in them stuff there. I'm not gonna add no tomato. I don't really like the taste of tomato. It gives me this nasty taste. To me, it have this nasty taste, but I'm gonna put in some seasoning in this. I'm showing it. Alright, my hand clean, everything clean. A little, I know this. Oh, half a corn and some butter over here, some milk. And yeah, okra, pak choy, cucumber, onion, okra, string bean. This nothing in there, sorry. And yeah. I want it to be crunchy. So I'm gonna take it off soon because I'm gonna like my vegetables soft. Oh, we can have some for tomorrow.
That's it. In the morning.
I mean, can probably even do for dinner. Smells so good. I don't want to add no seasoning. Probably just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna think I need that because the saltfish already in there. So I just want it to be one pot meal where just healthy. I don't know if saltfish healthy, but saltfish in there. But you want something where gonna give some flavor. And I always wash up after me use. Like a one pot meal. Smell good. Can I smell the butter though?
Smells so good.
Smell healthy.
Oh, you know when something smells healthy?
No. Okay, go on. Because I don't want it too soft. I want it to be crunchy. But yeah. So I'm just wait on this finish so we can eat. But just I go consume.
Yeah, and you are going to eat.
And me I go eat my food because I'm not smutty. And then I go to my bed. Wake up for tomorrow. Thanks for the support.
Now it's time to judge the food that Iandra made. Alright, let's test this out. I like a thing going on here. See, nobody want a KFC again?
I'm done with them stuff there. If you don't like healthy food, you're not gonna like this. And it tastes so good, tastes different, tastes light, it feels better in my body, probably in my mind, tell me. But it tastes so good, and I don't know say it late, so this is something good to eat now, even though it's not good to eat late. We never have a choice anyways, but it tastes so good. I answer all our questions. Please like, comment, share, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell, and yeah, thanks for supporting me. I reach 4K, 4.3K. Appreciate it. Bye guys.